I am going to go over the proper way that countertops should be cut around almost all sinks, especially ours. They should be cut perfectly flush right here. This should line up with that, front and back. Real important, if this comes in at all, your accessories are not going to go in and out of your sink. The other issue is if there's an overhang, even a slight one, and you'll get pushback from countertop people saying, well, the water will drop straight down instead of you seeing the caulk. Well, you may not see the caulk, but you won't see the gunk that goes down and goes under. The water's not going to drop straight down like a waterfall. It might if there's a lot of water, but typically it's going to want to go under there. If they pull this back, you're going to have water sitting on top of a grout line, and that's just not a good idea in any situation. So please make sure you talk to your countertop people. We put a sticker on the bottom of the sinks. It should be on your drawing indicating how to properly cut your countertop.